road test of our 2017 17 plate Skoda Yeti SE outdoor drive. We've got 78,056 miles on the clock, and we're just giving it a little run up the road just to make sure that everything is all okay and it drives as it should. And we do know it drives as it should and that everything is okay. It's a very nice car indeed. Pedigree is impeccable, and I say this a lot, but on this one it is 100% impeccable. It's effectively one local private owner from new. He purchased it from Wings Skoda, our local Skoda dealer. They are showing as the first owner, but it was literally registered and sold to him the same day almost. So it was a pre-registered delivery mileage car. So he's had it from brand new. 7 miles, I think, is what it shows. Which I can tell you that because he gave us a spreadsheet that logs every single journey that has ever been done in the car. Fuel, the MPG, everything. There's about 4 pages listing everything, so we know the infinite history of this car. There's a spreadsheet for all the maintenance, so tyres, servicing, you name it, it's on there, and all the journeys it's done as well. We also have the invoices and receipts and the service record that Skoda have for it as well. In its first 3 services were done by Wings of Skoda, and the 3 services, or 4 services I should say, have been done by our local independent garage that we know and that he uses as well. And the most recent service effectively has literally been done. It had a new oil cooler, Cambelt, water pump and oil and filter change. So the Cambelt is all done, literally done 2 or 3 miles ago. So bang up to date, all good to go. So it's a phenomenal car really. We have 2 remote keys with it as well, and really good package car. These, you can't even get them anymore. They're desirable to my knowledge, very much so now. Great combination in brilliant silver with the nice sort of graphite diamond cut wheels. It also benefits from a couple of optional extras, which are the front and rear parking sensors. It's got DAB radio along with everything else on your touchscreen with your nav even. You've got rough road package. It's also had, literally a day or 2 after he purchased the car, it went back to Wings, and it's got a detachable tow bar that was dealer fitted. So that's a dealer fitted factory tow bar, which is all in the boot and there with it as well. I could go on about the car all day. It's a really nice car. It drives lovely, really nice and smooth, phenomenally economical as well, the 2 litre TDI. It's all round a really nice car. Lots of information up on our website about it, lots of photos, but if there is anything in addition that you'd like to know about the car, or the delivery service that we offer with our own in-house delivery vehicle, then do please feel free to contact us at any time.